Hello, we are at the FuturePrint Podfest in central London, and it is glorious weather today. It's very, very hot and sunny. And we want to talk a little bit about something that we've got coming up in a few months' time in September, and that's the FuturePrint Packaging, Labels and Direct-to-Shape Summit. So Elena, tell us a little bit about the event and what people can expect and why it's a little bit different this year.
Okay, so thanks, Ed. So this year we've split the event into two distinct days. And we've got day one is more about the bigger picture. It's a little bit more about talking about the trends in the industry, what's happening in this VUCA world, how can businesses adapt to stay at the forefront of their business and remain competitive. And day two will look a little bit more about the technology. So our partners will be talking about what technology they have got that can help businesses use that to stay relevant in the market.
Sounds brilliant. So tell me, how would I become a delegate if I wanted to come along?
Okay, so you can go onto our website. It's www.futureprint.live, and you just go through the checkout process, and we'd love to see you there.
Easy as that.